Hello, welcome back. So I'm excited to share with you my favorite Hostess exclusive this catalog season. So this catalog season runs through April 30th. And if you host a party with me during that time and we close your party by the 30th, then you'll be able to grab one of my favorites. This is called the Walk and Roll Oversized Thermal. So look how gorgeous this print is, by the way. It's so beautiful. This is the midnight floral print. So I want to show you some of my favorite features of this and why I love it so much. So you'll be able to snag one of these by hosting a party with me this catalog season. And to host a party, all you have to really do is have $200 on your shopping link to earn rewards. So what we'll do is I'll create you a shopping link. We'll decide what kind of party style that you want to do, whether you just share your link with your friends and your family, maybe you just want to shop on your own link, maybe you want to do a bingo party with me. I'm known for my online bingo parties, or maybe you want to do a texting party with your friends. No group text messaging, I promise. We can do like a bundle party over text. It's a lot of fun, but there's lots of ways to help you earn Hostess rewards. And I'm excited to do that this season and show you my favorite and let you grab my favorite. So this is called the Walk and Roll Oversized Thermal. You'll be able to get this for $68 by hosting a party, and only our hostesses are able to grab this. Our customers cannot. So if you just know you have to have this, then let me set you up a shopping link and we can work to get this for you. Okay, so this is the oversized thermal. This has wheels on the bottom here. I'll show you the other one in just a second. I've got stuff in here and it's kind of heavy, but this does have the handles right here. So if you were taking this to the beach, this is perfect to grab it up when you get to the sand, so you're not rolling your wheels through the sand. You totally can. I'm just a freak and don't do that. But okay, well, sorry, this is like actually really heavy. But I did the personalization on here. So it says live in the sunshine, walk in the sea. I did that in the papaya thread color and in the red. Look how gorgeous this print is. Here's the wheels. You can see the two wheels by my pinky right here. And these are like little stoppers that kind of help it stay in place. And this does, of course, have that telescopic handle right here where you can raise this up and, you know, roll it behind you here. It does have the zipper closure on the top with our leak lock lining, which means you can put ice directly in here and it is not going to leak out, making this perfect for the summer, perfect for those road trips, perfect for the ball field, all of those things where you are out all day, or even grocery shopping. So so many things, but you can put ice directly in here and it's not going to leak out. So you can see all of the things that I just have sitting on the bottom. You can see all this room that I'm not even using. Probably about this much room that I am not even using here. So I'm just going to pull out the stuff that I have in here so you can see how much this holds. So here is a big coffee creamer. Here is my small coffee creamer. Here is a half a gallon of milk. I have some lemon juice. What else do I have in here? I have some salad dressing and barbecue sauce. I have a thing of mayonnaise, ketchup. What else? Oh my gosh. And then I have mustard and jelly. So it does hold quite a bit on the inside of here. So I am totally loving that. This is my personal favorite print. This is the Midnight Floral. And then here is the one in charcoal. And I just wanted to show you how well that it rolls. I love this. Okay, and then the personalization that I have on this one is our golf cart personalization, and it says they see me rolling. I sing that song every time. We have a gray golf cart. We just was able to get it a couple of months ago, and we're taking it up to our camper. And so I thought I cannot wait to take a picture of this summer with my kids on the golf cart and this on the back. So be on the lookout for a picture for that. But I would love to know, what type of party would you host? Would it be shopping on your own link? Would it be a bingo party? Would it be a texting party? What kind of party? A catalog party? An in-person party if you're close to me? What kind of party would you host to be able to grab the Walk and Roll Thermal at our discount only for our hostesses? So let me know in the comments. I'll link everything below. If you are watching today and you do not have a 31 consultant, I want to be your girl, okay? So you can get in touch with me over Facebook Messenger. You can email me. Whatever works best for you. But I'm excited to be your consultant and help you earn some Hostess rewards. And hosting, you know, it's not just getting the Hostess exclusives, it's getting our free credits, our half price items, and that current month's Hostess special. But you just have to have at least $200 on your link to be able to start earning Hostess rewards. So let me know in the comments. I'm so excited to hear from you all.